What is up, guys, and welcome to another edition of Market Marauders, beating the market one trade at a time. For you, the Market Marauders investment channel helps you to find the best deals in the market. So let's jump directly into it. So we're giving you synopsis of some stocks that I'm going to be watching on Monday, especially considering an update that just came up. President Trump basically just said that he is immune to the whole virus, that he's doing well. For me, this is a huge catalyst for the market, and I think that Monday we're going to see a huge rally in the positive direction based on this information. So, just going to give you all a short watch list of stocks that I'm going to be watching. They're kind of related to this sort of niche, as well as stocks that you should be watching this week as well. Let's jump into it. First things first, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm. And make sure you subscribe for more information. So the first one we'll talk about is ticker sign JPM. This is for JP Morgan Chase. So their moving average 10 is $101.12. Moving average 50 is $100.38. And the moving average 100 is $98.96. They ended the week at $101.20. Then after hours went up to $31 more. So the reason I have this stock on here, if we note on here, they are in a bullish uptrend, which is always a good thing. But next week on the 13th, on Tuesday, they have an earnings. So if you're not familiar with companies, that come out with earnings, the stocks seem to always rally, in my personal opinion. So definitely look forward to that for next week. It's going to be on Tuesday when their earnings comes out. So definitely keep that one on your radar. Another one that I say keep on your radar is going to be ticker sign J&J. That is for Johnson & Johnson. So their moving average 10 is $150.90. Moving average 50 is $148.67. And the moving average 100 is $141.18. They ended at $150.97, and after hours went up 3 more cents to end at $151 even. So they are on a pretty massive bullish uptrend, denoted by this moving average 10 line being way above the moving average 50 and the moving average 100, which is purple and yellow line. So we can see they've been on a bullish uptrend since about the 7th. And one of the things, or one of the reasons why they're on my list, is they do have earnings coming up as well. It is also going to be on Tuesday. So Tuesday, October 13th, they will have their earnings. One of the things to look forward to for this company is they are also one of the vaccine candidate companies. So they are one of the companies that is trying to distribute the vaccine as well as come up with the vaccine on their own. So they have a lot of information to give. I think during the earnings, they're going to give an update for that as well. And also with the consideration that President Trump is in the condition that he is. And every time they talk to him, he always says, hey, we have a vaccine coming out closely. This is definitely one of those catalyst stocks to look at as new developments come out towards that vaccine. So a lot of interesting news surrounding this stock, J&J for Johnson & Johnson. So just keep it on your radar for Monday. Next, we have ticker sign C, and this is for Citigroup. Their moving average 10 is $45.09. Moving average 50 is $45, and the moving average 100 is $44.38. So they ended the week at $44.93. Then after hours went up 2 more cents to end it at $44.95. So if we look on here, they are in a bullish uptrend, barely, because the moving average 10 line is barely above this moving average 50 and moving average 100 line, but I think come Monday it will open up on a positive note. I think it will rally up, especially considering that its earnings is also going to be on Tuesday the 13th. Now, all the ones that have earnings, I will post them on my community tab. I'll write them out and post them so you guys can look at them in the days that they're going to have them. So if you missed any, or if you just want a short abbreviated list, just make sure you check out the community tab for that. So next on the list is going to be ticker sign UNH. That is for United Health. They are on a bullish uptrend as well. been on a bullish uptrend for a while. It seems denoted by this chart, and the moving average 10 line being way above this moving average 50 and moving average 100. Their moving average 10 is $327.29. Moving average 50 is $322.73, and moving average 100 is $318.41. They ended the week at $327.84. Then after hours went up $2.16 to end at $330 even. So definitely on a very bullish uptrend and very positive note to end the week. So definitely looking for them to continue their rally upwards as the week progresses. They also have earnings coming up as well. The earnings is going to be on Wednesday, the 14th. So October 14th is when their earnings is going to be. So the day after the ones that I named previously. Going to another stock on my watch list for next week. Going to have ticker sign BAC for Bank of America. Their moving average 10 is $25.38. Moving average 50 is $25.05, and the moving average 100 is $24.65. They are on a bullish uptrend as well, denoted by this moving average 10 line being above the moving average 50 and 100. And it seems like they've been on their bullish uptrend for quite a while as well. Started right around the 2nd of October and has continued this bullish uptrend ever since then, so that's good. They don't really have a resistance that I've seen on here that they have tested, but just continue to be bullish all the way through. So they do have earnings coming up as well. The earnings is going to be the 14th, just like United Health Group, which was the ticker sign UNH. So look forward to that, and try to see the earnings and the recap on those. Next, I'm going to have ticker sign PGR for Progressive. They are on a bullish uptrend as well, denoted by this line right here, which started around the 2nd as well, and continued to go up. So their moving average 10 is $99.30. Moving average 50 is $97.27. Moving average 100 is $95.93. So we can see that they are on this bullish uptrend, showing great growth as time has gone on. So on the 7th, they kind of started off down here at the 96.56 range and continued all the way up to this 99.88 range. So strong growth for this stock, and their earnings is going to be on Wednesday the 14th as well. So make sure you keep those stocks on your list. As far as earnings is concerned, those are going to be on Tuesday and Wednesday. Also, bear in mind, on Tuesday, we're going to have the Apple event. So Apple is definitely one to keep on your list. Ticker sign, I'm just going to pull it up. So ticker sign AAPL is definitely one you should look at as their event is going to be this week. So they rallied towards the end of the week with high expectations on the release of the 5G iPhone and what it's going to denote for the future of hardware as far as 5G is concerned. Now, they don't have the only 5G phone that's out there. I know Samsung has a 5G phone. The Note 20 Plus Ultra is 5G, has 5G capabilities. But as Apple being the leader of phones in general, it's going to be interesting to see how their phone specs out compared to the rest of the phones in the industry. So going into some other stocks that I'm just keeping my eyes out on as time goes on. One of them is going to be Lilly. So this is Eli Lilly, which is a stock that is in the medical field. They make pharmaceuticals, but they make a drug that's similar to the one that President Trump took, which he recovered from. So they make a similar antibody, drug that's similar to the one that GlaxoSmithKline makes. So definitely keep your eyes on them as time goes on. It seems like, with all this medical talks, that they definitely, have benefited from that starting around the 7th. Their moving average 10 is $156.56. Moving average 50 is $150.94. Moving average 100 is $148.50. And they ended the week at $156.88. And then after hours went up $1.02 to end at $157.90. So the next one that I would say keep your eyes out on is going to be ticker sign GSK, and that is for GlaxoSmithKline. Their moving average 10 is $37.68. 61 cents. The moving average 50 is $37.10. Moving average 100 is $37.26. And they are bullish as of when they closed at $37.57. So keep your eyes on that one as time goes on. That is for GlaxoSmithKline, which is the people who supplied President Trump with his antibody serum that he took. So definitely going to be interested to see how they perform, especially considering the update that he just gave about his condition. So the last two to talk about is Moderna. Moderna just got backing from DARPA, so they just got a $56 million backing. So definitely look for some more movement from them. They're also a vaccine candidate as well. It seems to be on a bullish uptrend, but the price has been fluctuating. It seems like their VWAP has definitely fluctuated a lot more than the actual stock itself has. So definitely keep your eyes on that one, especially as time progresses and we get more updates on the vaccine. Their moving average 10 is $73.20. Moving average 50 is $72.51. Moving average 100 is $71.58. They ended the week at $73 even, and they went up 32 more cents to end at $73.32. So they are bullish, but I definitely would keep my eyes on them as time goes on. Next, we're going to say is Pfizer, ticker sign PFE. They're also a vaccine candidate, so they are on a bullish uptrend, but it seems like they had a resistance right around this line right here at the $36.95. So going to be interested to see if they'll test that $36.95 next week, or if they'll continue to run sideways. Seems to be a resistance for them that they hit twice. Around this $37 mark seems to be a pretty strong resistance that it's testing, even though it is bullish. I would see next week if they could break that $37 mark to potentially become bullish. If we see on here their high, they actually went all the way up to $37.18, but they are also a vaccine candidate. So any updates from them concerning the vaccine will be positive news. So definitely interested to see how they perform as time goes on. And that's why they're on my watch list. So their moving average 10 is $36.82. Moving average 50 is $36.63. And moving average 100 is $36.59. So definitely keep your eyes out on that one as time goes on, and see if they continue to rally. It seems like a lot of people sold off towards the end of the week, but that can all change with one press release and one update on their vaccine candidate. So good luck to everybody trading out there this week. I'll try to write some of these out and put them in my community tab. Hope everybody has a good week trading, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.